is it? Yung makaya ni nasa di?
Ang buta.
Asa pumunta? Asa na yung start?
Mabi ni ang story ni kay mabi ni lisod nga castle nga lisod ni conquer. O din na conquer.
So let's go inside. But first, let's take a picture. This is the gate. And another map. We're here. I'm new to the cannon. And I'm Queen. Edinburgh Castle is one of the most popular tourist attractions here in Scotland. Its historical significance and stunning architecture of the city makes it a must-visit destination. Look, that's Princess Street Garden over there. We're very high up. The castle is an ancient fortress located on the Castle Rock, a volcanic rock formation that dates back over 340 million years. It has been a site of human habitation since at least the Iron Age. There's some banners. They say something. A big gun over there. Now look, you see over there? I could see Scotland flag. We're going down.
Archer. Archer. Buot-buot.
I didn't button it.
Kung sila ba?
Hey. Attack! Yes.
Yes.
They used that long time ago.
I-repaint na nila Sunday.
They just repainted.
Look at this cannon. Woohoo! It's wet, but I could still go on it. Let me sit on it. Yay! I'll go with this cannon. Dummy. Hello. There's something over here. And this is where they shoot. They put the gun and they pew, pew, pew.
Good.
Its strategic location made it a highly coveted stronghold throughout Scotland's history.
Masasuriyaan ni mo ito yung history mo. Malingaw na siya. Ganahan siya history.
A famous tradition of Edinburgh Castle is the firing of the 1 o'clock gun. Since 1861, except on Sundays, a gun is fired from the castle at precisely 1 p.m., allowing the ships in the first floor to set their maritime clocks. Guys, look at this miniature version of the castle. Look at this let's see if I can see the Jollibee here. Cause I'm a little bit hungry.
Nandito tayo.
Nothing.
Okay.
And other countries.
Tanawa sa Leo ang Cape Town time.
What? That's a diagram. View. I just saw that.
Mo din mo.
There, look at the cute dog.
1861.
Dog.
Why 1 o'clock siya day? Anong 1 o'clock man? Open it. Everyday readings of the sun were taken at 12 noon to ensure the time ball.
I'm walking. Woo! Ta-da! Yeah! Oh, it's our squad, but missing some people. They're cute soldiers. See, look how tiny.
Cute yan ko kasi. Can I still enjoy?
Going upstairs. Whoa. What is this? They have cool items. Their badges, uniform.
And that necklace.
Look, there's even a face.
Yeah.
Special reserve. What's that? There's clothes, plates, pictures. I'm looking outside right now. It's very wet. Look, that's a soldier's hat, and there's lots of clothes too. There's a bell. Ding, ding, ding. It's a HM Edinburgh. HMS Edinburgh. Let's go over here. Hurry up here. This is a cool place. I'm going to rest. This is the governor's house. Look, that's me doing poses. It looks so real, but it's fake. Ooh. Look at this picture. BTCVO. What is that major? Oh, that's Spain and Portugal.
Oh, these are the Scouts of the 3rd Dragon Guard. Observing. Prepare defensive positions.
The castle is also a home to the National War Museum of Scotland, which showcases Scotland's military heritage and houses a vast collection of artifacts, weapons, and military memorabilia. We're here in Museum of Royal Scots. Ooh! He's on the floor. And there's this guy with a big gun. Ooh, look at the miniature version. So interesting. The castle has a rich military history, having been involved in numerous conflicts over the centuries. It was besieged several times, including during the Wars of Scottish Independence and the Jacobite Rising of 1745. That's Nazi. World War II. This is where Soviet Union was here that time. Thank you for watching. This is green done and red not yet. But we're halfway there. Now, see you on my next video. Bye.